Oh, I'm going to show you how to set up the Codesys V3 programming software with the Exor HMI. The HMI software is called Jmobile, and I believe it's version 2.8. So what I'm first going to do is open up. The company is called 3S, and they make Codesys. And I'm going to open up Package Manager. And what this Package Manager is going to do is it's going to allow us to install some software. It's going to add it to the Codesys system, and that'll allow us to program the Exor HMI, add it to the Codesys program. So I've already actually put it in here, but I'm just going to show you how to do it to save time. So normally after it's installed, you'll see this 500, 600, 700, and that's the type of HMI that you can program. The Codesys system runs on an internal PLC on the HMI, and to program Codesys, you need this package. So I could either uninstall this now, but it'd be time consuming to install it again, but I'll just show you where to find it and install it. So click install, and it's located in Program Files x86, Exor Jmobile Suite 2.8, Codesys version 3. They've also got the version 2 for Codesys and the version 3, which is what I'm working with. So we'll go ahead and select Codesys Jmobile 3.5 package, and we'll go ahead and open that. It's going to tell us the package is already installed, but if it wasn't, you'd see a window showing the status of it installing. It would take about 2 minutes, and it would end up right here. So that's done, and we'll just close this. Next thing I want to do is go back into 3S Codesys folder and start up the Codesys programming software. It's called Codesys version 3.5, Service Pack 10, Patch 5. So click that. I just have to close down some old windows here. I'm not going to do this survey now. Okay, so Codesys opens up, and again, I said it's Codesys version 3.5, Service Pack 10. So click New Project. You want to click Standard Project. Click OK. And right here is where you want to select your device. We've got several different device types here. Exor 500, 600, Exor 600, 700, and they've also got a few down here, DevKit and eSmart. Where these are referenced from, it's a little bit confusing, but if you find the PDF which is supplied by Exor, it's called Internal PLC Codesys User Manual. The file name is called PTN 0605. Anyways, if you go down to page 4 on the PDF, it explains the series and which device name. So here's the 500, 600 for the ETOP 500, 500G 600. Device name 600L for ETOP 600L. And the eSmart is eSmart. EX700 series and Xware is going to be the 600 and 700. Looks like it runs on Linux. So let's get back to Codesys, and I'm going to go down and select 500 and 600, and my program type I've chosen is ladder logic. So 500, 600 would be right here from the PDF, and it's the ETOP 500 or 600. go ahead and click OK. As you can see, it's created that device. I have a PLC program in there, and everything looks good in there. I've got one task, PLC program. The PLC program is empty right now. Want to go ahead and set up our communication settings to the HMI. When we download this program, we're going to transfer it to the HMI, and the HMI is going to take care of separating that and sending it to the Codesys runtime on there. So double click device and communication settings, and right now I've got this set up for, let me just see, simulation is off, so I could go ahead and type the IP address on here. I'll just make one up because I don't have one hooked up. Press enter. I got IP address 192.0.0.5. And there's no device out there because it's not connected. But if there was, it would connect to it. For my application, I'm going to just click it in simulation mode. And this will update in a minute on here, but there's nothing else to change on here if you're in simulation mode. Next thing we're going to do is add an I/O device card, which plugs into the back of the HMI. To do that, we right-click on Device, Add Device, and if you look on here, Miscellaneous, you'll see the PL, there's three of them, PLI 003, 4, and 6, and they're just different flavors of number of inputs, outputs, analog, etc. If you did not install the Codesys package, the first step of this video, you will not see these on here. Okay, you'll only see field buses. Make sure you're not clicked on the update device radio button. You are on the append device. So we'll go ahead and add, we'll pick a simple one here, PLI 04. And once we select that, we click Add Device, and we'll close it. You can see that the device has been added there. Next thing we want to do is make sure that our I/O variables are being updated. To do this, double-click Devices, and PLC Settings. Right down here, there's three options.